I'll see you later. Have fun. Alright, I will. Finally made it to South Carolina. Honestly, I was expecting it to be a little bit more humid out here, but it's not too bad. Should we go walk? You like the monkeys? So we have a little bit of a bittersweet moment right now. Today is my last day in South Carolina. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm definitely gonna miss it. Miss a little apartment. But these last 4 months were amazing. Got to spend a lot of time with the family. Experience things neither of us have experienced. Grow as a person, grow as a father. But it was good. This was a nice, neat experience. Kind of wish I would have documented more of the knocking experience and let you guys see what I go through every day on a daily basis and see on a daily basis, because honestly I think it's a part of America that a lot of people don't realize or even get to see. It's just a lot of forgotten people out here. But anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Anyway, Ashton out.